Line drive to right.
Takes a three.
Touchdown 49ers. Hurry!
Yeah, he's going to get a MRI around 4 o'clock today, so he feels so much better. He doesn't think he needs this.
A lot of the reason guys break down and have problems with the Achilles or with any other muscle pull is dehydration. So I'm just going to chalk it off and say that's what it was. He was a little bit dehydrated, got a little sore. From his perspective, just kind of, hey, it's a little sore right now. I'm not going to push it. That's a veteran move.
You've got some other outfielders in the coming up: Mac Williamson, Jarrett Parker, Gorkas Hernandez.
If I had to guess, I'd say a week before he'll get in some games.